Converting your 401k to a Gold IRA at age 72. As you reach your 70s, managing retirement savings becomes more important than ever. One option many retirees consider is converting your 401k to a Gold IRA at age 72. This strategy can help protect your wealth, but it also comes with rules and costs you should understand. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why consider the conversion? At age 72, the IRS requires you to start taking required minimum distributions, RMDs, from a traditional 401k. These withdrawals are taxed as income. By moving funds into a Gold IRA, you may gain more control over your investments and diversify into physical assets like gold, which can help hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. How the process works. 1. Check eligibility. Make sure you are eligible to roll over your 401k. Most people at 72 already qualify due to RMD rules. 2. Choose a custodian. A Gold IRA must be managed by an IRS-approved custodian. Pick one with strong experience in precious metals. 3. Open a Gold IRA account. Complete the paperwork to set up your new self-directed IRA account. 4. Transfer funds. Move money from your 401k into the new Gold IRA through a direct rollover to avoid penalties. 5. Buy precious metals. Use the funds to purchase approved gold or other metals. Not all gold products qualify, so follow IRS rules. 6. Secure storage. Your gold must be stored in an approved depository. You cannot keep it at home. 7. Plan for RMDs. Even with a Gold IRA, you still need to take minimum distributions each year. Benefits to know. 1. Diversification, adds physical assets to your portfolio. 2. Inflation protection, gold often holds value over time. 3. Wealth security, helps balance risks from paper investments. Important considerations. 1. Fees, custodian and storage fees can add up. 2. Market fluctuations, gold prices can still rise and fall. 3. Complex rules, IRS regulations must be followed carefully. Converting your 401k to a Gold IRA at age 72 can be a smart move if you want more diversification and protection for your retirement savings. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Take time to compare options and consider speaking with a financial professional before making the switch. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.